HP printer offline. How to fix it? If your HP printer is showing as offline, it means something is disrupting its connection to your computer. There could be several reasons for this, from cable issues to software errors or incorrect printer settings. Here's what you can do to troubleshoot and get your printer back online. Quick troubleshooting tips. Check the printer connections, Wi-Fi/USB. Restart the printer and your computer. Ensure the ink or toner cartridges are properly installed and not empty. Check for paper jams or any foreign objects inside the printer. Download and install the latest drivers for your HP printer. If your printer is connected to your PC or laptop via a USB cable and is showing as offline, start by checking whether the cable is properly plugged in. Sometimes it may become loose or disconnected. If the USB port on your computer is faulty, try using a different port. Also, restarting the printer can help, as it may be stuck in sleep mode. If the cable itself is damaged, replace it with a new one and check the connection again. Checking the software. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, checking your system settings might help. On Windows, open the Control Panel by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Control Panel. Then, go to Printers and Devices and locate your HP printer. Right-click on it, select Printer Properties, go to the Security tab, and ensure that all necessary permissions are set to allow. If your HP printer is connected via Wi-Fi. For network printers, make sure both the printer and the router are powered on and connected to the same network. If your printer is still offline, check whether there is enough paper and make sure the ink or toner cartridges are properly installed. Sometimes, an incorrectly placed cartridge can cause the printer to go offline for security reasons. If this is the case, an error message should appear to indicate the issue. Still offline. Additional solutions. If your HP printer is still not responding, consider the following. Restart both your router and printer. Check your firewall or antivirus settings, as they might be blocking the connection. Uninstall and reinstall your printer on your computer. Consult the HP printer manual for troubleshooting steps. If none of these solutions work, you may need to contact HP customer support for further assistance. In some cases, a professional technician may be required to diagnose and fix the issue.